Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with my tutorial. Today we are ending with our letter N, advanced words of which will be presented henceforth shall be concluded. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Narcissistic, Atmamugd. His narcissistic behavior made it difficult for others to connect with him. Nomenclature, Namkaran. The government controlled the nomenclature, ensuring that only loyalists held key positions. Nephology, Badal Vigyan. Nephology provides important insights into weather prediction. Nictitating, palkon ka jhapakna. The cat nictitated rapidly, signaling that it was sleepy. Non-peril. Advitiya, his talent in painting is non-peril in one, and no one can match his skill. Neoteric, Naveen, the neoteric design of the building was admired by all. Nociceptive, Dardgrahi, nociceptive pain is a direct response to injury or inflammation. Nucleoplasm. The nucleoplasm plays a crucial role in maintaining the cell's genetic material. Nuncupative. Maukhik. He made a nuncupative will on his deathbed. Nyctophobia. Ratri ka bhay. Nyctophobia made it difficult for her to sleep without a light on. Nonagenarian. 99 वर्ष का व्यक्ति, the nonagenarian shared stories of his youth with the young children. Nonfeasance, कार्य न करना, the nonfeasance of the officer led to serious consequences. Neurasthenic, tantrika kamjori se पीड़ित. She was diagnosed as neurasthenic after experiencing prolonged stress. Nihilistic, nirashawadi. His nihilistic outlook on life made him believe that nothing mattered. Necromancy, मृतकों की आत्माओं से संवाद. Necromancy was considered a forbidden art in ancient cultures. Noctambulism, रात को चलने की आदत. Noctambulism can be dangerous if someone walks into harmful situations while asleep. Nonchalance, लापरवाही. His nonchalance in the face of danger surprised everyone. Nucleotidal, structures play a key role in DNA replication. Non sequitur, sangat kathan. His reply was a non sequitur, completely unrelated to the question. Nanotechnology, Pradyogiki. Nanotechnology is revolutionizing the fields of medicine and electronics. Nucleosynthesis, nucleus translation. Nucleosynthesis occurs in stars, producing elements that make up the universe. Neurolinguistics explores how the brain processes and produces language. Nosocomial, अस्पताल से संबंधित. Nosocomial infections are a serious concern in healthcare facilities. Nosocomial. Nystagmus can cause difficulties in vision and balance. Nucleophile. A nucleophile attacks an electrophile during chemical reactions. Nonagenary. The nonagenary man celebrated his 95th birthday with family and friends. Nociperception. Dard ka anubhav. Nociperception is crucial for detecting injuries and avoiding further harm. Neurogenesis. Tantrika nirmad. Neurogenesis is vital for brain plasticity and learning. Nutraceuticals can be used to support a healthy lifestyle and improve overall well-being. Neurotransmitters play a crucial role in brain function and communication. Neuropathy, गुर्दे की बीमारी. Nephropathy, diabetes can lead to nephropathy and blood sugar levels if blood sugar levels are not controlled. Neuropathology, tantrika vigyan. Neuropathology helps understand diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Non-volatile, prakshipt, non-volatile memory retains data even when the power is turned off. Neurophysiology, tantrika bhautiki. Neurophysiology studies how the nervous system controls muscle movements. Neurasthenia, mansik thakawat. Neurasthenia can result from prolonged stress or emotional trauma. Nucleoproteins are essential to the structure and function of chromosomes. Necrotizing, mrit koshia, necrotizing fasciitis is a serious bacterial infection that causes tissue death. Fasciitis, necrolizing fasciitis. Neurolinguistics explores how the brain processes and produces language. Nanosecond. A nanosecond is incredibly short, often used in computing to measure speeds. Non-parametric tests are useful when the data doesn't follow a normal distribution. Nucleophile. A nucleophile attacks an electrophile during chemical reactions. Nonagenary. The nonagenary man celebrated his 95th birthday with family and friends. And that's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.